English essay Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born at Porbandar in Saurashtra on 2nd October 1869. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was married to Kasturba. He was educated in Rajkot. Later, he went to England and became a barrister. He went to South Africa to practice law. He fought for the rights of the Indians living there. After coming back to India, he started the freedom movement. He freed India from the British rule. He believed in the weapon of satyagraha. He was sent to jail many times by the British. Gandhiji was a very simple man. He had great faith in God. He believed in truth and non-violence. Therefore, people call him Mahatma. Gandhiji loved children very much. They fondly called him Bapu. Gandhiji was assassinated on January 30, 1948. People fondly remember Gandhiji as the father of the nation. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.